Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Here is another concept with the socks, and this is a s'mores concept. So I do have the s'more socks here, and I found these little s'more snack packs. So I paired it with the s'mores, and I used this little festive cup that I got at Bargain Hunt. And in the front here, you'll see I placed the Tootsie Roll hot chocolate. The packaging for the Tootsie Roll Hot Pocket hot chocolate, I used to line those socks with so they'd stand up. So that they would have the ingredients as well as the expiration date of these hot chocolates. I think that this concept turned out really cute. And I really like those Tootsie Roll hot chocolates. And that was something I saw at Dollar Tree that I had never seen before. So I did pick up several of those to add to some concepts. I used shrink wrap to seal this up with. And then I topped it with this festive bow to match the little sprinkles down in the skirt of the cup. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. We're getting really close to that 1K giveaway, and I can't wait. So make sure you be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.